Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to return items on TEMU. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. So if you recently purchased something on TEMU and you're not satisfied with the product and then you want to refund and you want to return it, it is simple to do that as well. But keep in mind that if it's already been over the past refund period and you will not be able to do this, make sure you understand the seller's policy as well as TEMU's policy in order to get help with that. Now all you have to do is go ahead and open the TEMU application here, and then make sure that you're signed into the account. Once you've done so, you want to just tap the U icon, which is at the bottom middle of the screen. And as you've done that again, you'll find the option called Your Orders. You should be able to see all the items that you have purchased over the years. So basically, you want to locate the item that you wish to reach in. Then just click on the return order button. Now, I don't ordered anything, so you're not being able to see the option. If you can choose the item if you want to return and select series for returning the item, and after providing necessary details, you can just click the next step, follow the explanatory instruction, and then you should be able to good to go. And that's how you can return the TEMU items. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!